गुड मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग बेटा। आद्या, ये लास्ट क्लास आपने अटेंड करी थी या नहीं करी थी? वेट अ मिनट। वान्या, व्हाई आर यू हियर बेटा? ज्वाइन अनदर लिंक। वान्या, दिस इज नॉट योर क्लास। दिस मीटिंग दूसरी मीटिंग है आपकी।
साइंस मैम।
हाँ बेटा, साइंस का पीरियड होगा ना आपका। चेक नहीं नहीं बेटा, आप चेक करो किसका पीरियड है। Okay, I want to talk to some of the students, beta. Adya and Daksh, you were not doing the previous class. Were you in the previous class? इससे पहले किसका पीरियड था बेटा? Which period?
इससे पहले साइंस।
Okay, science period was there. Daksh and Adya were present in the class. Yes or no?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Daksh and Adya, were you there in the class?
कंप्यूटर क्लास। नो मैम, साइंस क्लास।
इससे पहले wait a minute. Be quiet. Both of you. अक्षज बेटा, इससे पहले किसका पीरियड था?
मैम साइंस।
Science. Daksh, were you attending the science class? Yes or no?
मैम बिकॉज़ एट माय
What I'm asking, just answer that. What I'm asking, just answer that. Were you there in the science class? Yes or no? बस एक yes बोलना है या no बोलना है? तुम साइंस क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे थे. You have not attended the science class?
Ma'am, I am attending the computer class because the 9 p.m. there was a computer class.
अक्षत के कंप्यूटर की क्लास थी इससे पहले. Very good. I don't know what he is saying. Beta, do you know what is 9:45? Adya, were you attending the previous class? Were you attending the previous class, Adya?
Ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am. Was not.
बेटा तुम लोग ये 9:45 से पहले दूसरे क्लास में कैसे एंटर हो गए?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you say.
You don't understand, Adya? Really? अभी आपने लिंक ज्वाइन किया था बेटा, ठीक है? किस टाइम पर किया था वो लिंक ज्वाइन मेरी मीटिंग का? 9:45. Are you serious? 9:45? And Daksh also? You entered there at 9:40, beta. That means you were not attending the previous class. I was watching. I kept you in waiting room continuously. Just I was saying कि कौन-कौन enter हो रहा है उसमें. I was taking same class in third.
No.
Don't lie, Adya. I saw you there. 9:44 you entered into my meeting. Don't say no, ma'am. I saw you there. And everyone, first of all, before starting today's class, I know most of the students are well behaved in this class. I must really appreciate. I can take their names. They are very well behaved. But few students, they don't know how to behave in class. एक ये है रिद्धि अग्रवाल. First of all, I must tell you few things of the basic things of the class. Keep your phone somewhere. Keep your phone somewhere. Do not touch the phone. Keep your camera on and do not touch your phone. This is the basic rule. And I know most of बेटा मैं सबको नहीं बोल रही हूँ, इस क्लास में बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं. They are very well behaved. But I'm talking about few students. अरसलान का कैमरा कभी भी उसकी जगह पर नहीं रखा होता है. हर छोटी बात के लिए अरसलान पहले तो ध्यान नहीं देते हैं क्लास में कि क्या हो रहा है. I'm speaking in Hindi now, just because to tell him कि अरसलान करते क्या है. अरसलान what he used to do, पहले ये सुनता नहीं है ध्यान से कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं है. फिर जब I start teaching, then he always speak in between. Always he speak in between, and these are bad manners, Arslan. Are you hearing what I'm talking to you, Arslan? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
पहले सुनते नहीं हो तुम ध्यान से कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. And in between the class, you open your mic and disturb the whole class. And your phone is never kept anywhere. It is always roaming here and there. You are also roaming along with your phone. And same with the Adya. These are some basic manners you should learn. Have you seen Aradhya sitting anytime? मैं कुछ बच्चों के नेम ले रही हूँ, जरा बेटा कभी इनको देखना कि ये बच्चे कितने अच्छे से बैठते हैं क्लास में और कितना अच्छा काम करते हैं. लाइक मान्या, आराध्या, अक्षज, वेदांशु, चरित्र। बेटा कभी इनकी वीडियोस देखना आप लोग, और कभी इनका वर्क देखना। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि लोग स्टडीज में बहुत अच्छे हैं, दे आर वेरी गुड इन स्टडीज, ठीक है। इफ दे आर नॉट वेरी गुड इन स्टडीज बट दे स्टडी वेल, जितना पढ़ाती है उतनी बात को ध्यान से सुनते हैं। दे कीप देयर कैमराज ऑन एवरी टाइम, हमेशा कैमरा ऑन रहता है। मुझे इन बच्चों को बोलना भी नहीं पड़ता है कि कैमरा ऑन करो। As soon as I take their name, they respond to me. Really, I must appreciate these students जिनका नेम मैंने अभी लिया है. They are very well behaving in class. रिद्धि अग्रवाल कहाँ बैठी हो बेटा? Is this the way? Just look at रिद्धि अग्रवाल everyone. कैसा लगता है? Just see everyone कि आप अगर ऐसे बैठे होते. Where were you sitting? Where is your camera? Keep your camera somewhere. Keep your camera somewhere. Riddhi. And don't speak in between again and again, Riddhi. These are the basic manners you should learn and your camera must not be off. Camera off होने का मतलब पता है ना मुझे क्या होता है? पता है क्या होता है? Camera off means that you are just chatting somewhere, you are doing something else. It means that. And Daksh, I ask him so many questions, he never respond. उसका मन होता है वो बोलता है, दक्ष का मन होता है तो दक्ष बोलते हैं, दक्ष का मन नहीं होता तो दक्ष आंसर ही नहीं करते, चाहे मैम बोलती रहे। मैम इज अ फूल सिटिंग ओवर हियर, आई एम अ फूल सिटिंग ओवर हियर। अगर मैं बोलूंगी भी तो दक्ष रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है ना दक्ष? यही करते हो ना तुम? I ask you so many questions, just go and check the recordings of your class, previous class. Yeah, he never respond to me, I don't know why. दक्ष, am I fool? मैं फालतू बोल रही हूँ कि बोलती रहती हूँ और तुम रिस्पॉन्ड ही
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
करते हो, हैं? ऐसा है?
No, ma'am.
Yesterday I asked you so many times, Daksh, I was calling and no response from your side. What do you think? I'm a fool over here? कि मैं पूछे जा रही हूँ, मैम बोल रही है बोलने दो, कोई मतलब ही नहीं है मुझे, मैं तो अपना काम करूंगा, मेरा मन होगा तो बोलूंगा, मेरा मन नहीं होगा तो नहीं बोलूंगा। उनशा, ये रहती हैं ग्रुप्स बनाने में मैडम। शी इज टेकिंग सेल्फीज ऑलवेज एंड हर कैमरा इज ऑफ। इनको बुलाते रह जाओ, उनशा, शी इज नॉट देयर, शी इज नॉट इवन सिटिंग ओवर देयर। From next time, I don't want such type of behavior from you all. Behave well and don't keep switching on your mic and speaking in between. Where is Riddhi Agarwal? She used to do that. She always used to do that. And same with the Arslan also. आलेर तो कैमरा ऑफ करके बेटा आराम से सोते हैं ये घर में। Keep your phone somewhere. Adya is also roaming here and there always. Keep your phone somewhere. आलेख को तो कहते भी थक जाओगे, आलेख मैं तुम्हें अलाउ नहीं करूंगी। आई एम गोइंग टू, इफ योर पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू से कि मैथ्स पीरियड में मैम एंटर नहीं करने देती है, बोल देना मैम मैं एंटर नहीं करने देती है, कैमरा नहीं ऑन करते हो तुम, इसलिए मैं एंटर नहीं करने देती हूँ तुम्हें मैथ्स पीरियड। मैं नहीं एंटर करने दूंगी अपने क्लास में अगर तुमने कैमरा ऑफ रखा है, अब तो रिमूव कर दूंगी मैं परमानेंटली। एंड आई विल टेल योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, आई विल नॉट लेट यू एंटर ड्यूरिंग द होल ईयर अगर आपने अपना कैमरा ऑफ रखा आलेख तो। इनफ इज इनफ, class is behaving a lot. Chalo. So let's start today. What we have to start? Let me check it. Just give me a minute. Don't tell me कि क्या start करना था, मैं खुद check कर लूंगी. Okay? No need to shout. Today is 5th of June. Oh. Here it is. Yes, we have to start. Subtract the following we have done. Only the answers we have to do, right? Subtract the following के answers we have to do now. Just let, okay. Subtract the following के answers करने
Ma'am,
हैं.
I am right it.
Huh? What you are saying?
Ma'am, I am right it.
Wait a minute. Don't speak. Everyone has done it. No, not only you. Just give me a minute, beta. Let me show you the answers to check the answers. Okay? C D group कहाँ गया है ये रहा. अरे I'm not done. Wait a minute, beta. Just give me 1 minute. I've not shared it. Chalo, let's do the answers. (2.5) exercise है ना ये? This is 2.5 exercise. We have to do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answers. Okay. Just quickly you have to tell me the answers. Okay. Just quickly tell me the answers. Oh, sorry. Yeah. The first one is 4, 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we have to subtract it. So what will be the answer here? I will ask myself. Vedanshu, tell the first answer.
Ma'am, 2,600.
2000.
660.
2660. Okay, is it the correct answer? 6 minus 6,
Yes,
0.
ma'am.
12 minus 5. No, it
No,
is the
ma'am.
correct answer. 11
70,
minus
ma'am.
5. 11 minus
Ma'am,
5 is
70.
6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. Yes, it is correct. It is absolutely correct. Okay, second question is 28721473. Okay, so let's subtract it. We'll start from this corner. Okay, Charitra, what is 12 minus 3? Charitra, what is 12 minus 3? Tell us.
Ma'am, what?
12 minus 3, what will come here? It will be 12. 12 minus 3 is what? चलो अच्छा, tell the full answer. जल्दी से बताओ, पूरा आंसर बताओ. Quickly.
Ma'am, I am not done. Please, because ma'am, I was just writing the
Daksh,
questions.
okay. Daksh, tell the second answer.
Ma'am, 1,399.
1399. Is it correct? Is it correct, everyone?
Yes,
Okay, very good, Daksh. Let's subtract it. Okay, I have beta minus sign. Put the minus sign also here. It is compulsory to put a minus sign over here. Aradhya, tell the third answer.
Okay, ma'am. 101.
No,
That means
wrong.
1,000.
Speak again, Aradhya.
Ma'am, 1001.
1001. Okay, 10 minus
Yes,
9 is
ma'am.
1. 9 minus 0, 9. Okay, very good. 9, 2, 5, 5. Next is 4, 8, 3, 2. Okay, all right. Now we'll put a flag like this. A subtraction sign over here. Minus sign over. Okay, let me ask. Unsha, tell the third or fourth answer. What is the
Ma'am,
fourth
there
answer?
wasn't.
Huh?
Ma'am, there wasn't in class.
Who is speaking in between? I'm asking from Unsha, who is speaking in between? Unsha, tell the answer. Mic to on kar lo, beta.
The answer is 3.
3. Okay. Let her speak. Nobody will speak in between. 3. Again.
Ma'am, erase them and written 5.
5.
Ma'am,
Manya, tell the answer. She is never paying attention in class now.
4, 4, 3.
4 4 3 4 4
3.
2 3. Okay, very good. 12 minus, very good. Check your answers quickly,
Ma'am,
everyone.
the first one should be 2670 because 12 minus 5 is 7.
हाँ, 12 minus 5 is 7. Yes, first one में थोड़ा सा correction है बेटा. First one 2760. It should be 2670. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
2670. It should be 2670. Okay, correct it, everyone. Check your answers quick. And you will show me on your wait a minute, just give me a minute, beta. Let me share it, then I'll ask you. Okay, I've shared it there. Just check it. Okay, now next. Okay, now next. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing this one. Going to start the next question. Okay, show me your copies. Show me your copies. I want to know that you have done it. Dak, show me your copy. One by one, I'm asking your names. Dak, show me your copy. Do not open your mic. Okay, very good. Manya, show me your copy. Aradhya, Unsha, Arslan, okay, show me your copies. These students. जिसका नाम लूंगी वो copy show करते जाएंगे. Okay, Unsha and Manya, draw the line with a scale. Unsha and Arslan, show me your copy.
Excuse me,
अरसलान
ma'am.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, फिर बोली बीच में. मैंने मना किया, बोलना नहीं है बीच में. Unsha, Arslan, show me your copy.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Very good, very good. Still not done. Adya, show me your copy first.
Ma'am, I am not
So
present.
Adya, I'm saying show me your copy first. Manya, okay, ठीक है Manya. Only the first one you have done. Very good, very nice. I must appreciate you. क्या बोल रही थी, अब बोलो.
Ma'am, I cannot present in your private class because I have fever.
बेटा previous नहीं होता है, पहली बात ये previous होता है. And second thing, you should copy the things from the D group if you did not attended the previous class. You are present in there in the D group. You must copy before entering into the class. Ansh, Arshika, Riddhi, Akshat, Vedanshu, show me your copies. Okay, Akshat, keep it down. Riddhi, show me your copy. प्यार से मानते नहीं हो ना बात. गौरी, चरित्र, show me your copy. Vedanshu, okay, done. Okay, Charitra, good. Okay, Gauri, good. Shelly, Riddhi, कहाँ है कॉपी तुम्हारी? अर्शिका, show me your copy. Tanvi, show me your copy. बस बेटा जिनका नेम ले रही हो only those will show. Okay, Tanvir, okay, Shelly, good. Chalo. Now I'm going to stop sharing it. Those who have not done, they can check it from the D group. Okay, beta. Now let's start the next exercise. Okay, let's do the next question. Riddhi Agarwal has not shown me the copies till now. Okay, after this, take out your maths books. Wait a minute. रुको. एक और रह गया. अच्छा, let it be. Leave it. 8 questions, write vertically and subtract.
Ma'am, which page number?
No, wait a minute, Daksh. अभी page number नहीं. Okay. Again, take out your maths notebooks only. अभी book नहीं निकालना. अभी एक question और रह गया. Wait a minute, beta. 2.5 में ये करना है, 2.6 में फिर subtract करना है. Okay, don't take out page number. Yes. Okay. Take out your books, maths books. Take out maths book. Page number is 30. 30 नहीं, 31. एक काम करो बेटा, मैथ्स बुक पेज नंबर 31 तो बाद में करना, अभी थोड़े 2 क्वेश्चंस और कर लो इसी में, इसी के आगे डू 2 more questions. Do 2 more questions after this.
मैम आप subtract the following numbers.
हाँ, या रहने देते हैं,
Okay,
इट इज
ma'am.
वेरी इजी. चलो लीव इट, बहुत इजी है वो. डोंट लेट्स नॉट डू इट again and again. It is repeating the same thing. Let's वो मैं आपको होमवर्क में दे दूंगी. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, take out your maths book, page 31. We will do number stories again. Okay, maths book, take out page 30, exercise 2.5. Okay, question C we will do now. Okay, one by one I'll ask you to read and we will solve the question. Okay, बेटा मैं एक बात बताना भूल गई थी. Just look here everyone on my screen if you can see. Everyone, whatever I'm writing with the brown pen, just look it very carefully. If something is written subtract, if I've written subtract 300 from 400, it means what? I told you about the minuend and subtrahend. बेटा ध्यान से सुनो मेरी बात. It is very very important. कभी अगर वर्ड दिया होता है from, तो from के बाद वाला जो नंबर होता है, नॉट पहले वाला. from के बाद क्या है? What is after from? 400. from के बाद क्या है? 400. 400 हमेशा ऊपर लिखा जाता है और 300 हमेशा, and the number which is before from, and the number which is before from, और from से पहले जो नंबर होता है, from से पहले जो नंबर होता है, it is always written down and we subtract it. Okay, understood? from के बाद वाला हमेशा पहले लिखा जाता है. और from की तरह एक और वर्ड होता है, तो from की तरह जो दूसरा वर्ड होता है, that is less than. If I ask you how much is 300 less than 400, मतलब 300 400 से कितना कम है? 300 is less than 400, but how much? How will you do? Less than means less में हमेशा subtract होता है, और ये 400 बाद में जो less than के बाद लिखा होता है वो ऊपर लिखा जाता है. less than के जो बाद लिखा होता है वो ऊपर लिखा जाता है, और 300 will be typed and sign will be used of subtraction, and subtraction का sign use होता है. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is the rule? From के बाद वाला पहले लिखा जाता है और less than के बाद वाला पहले लिखा जाता है. Okay? Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Arshika, read the first question from the book, exercise 2.3, maths book, page 31, 31. Arshika, read it.
Ma'am, solve the following question.
Yes, beta.
Write a number which is 799 less than 4522.
Okay, again, which is, it is given less than. Less than means what? What do you mean by less than?
Subtract.
Yes,
Subtract.
subtract. Right, question C, solve the following. बेटा ऊपर एक चीज और लिख लेना, पेज नंबर और लिख लेना. ये right at the top of the margin, write this maths book page number also. Write this also, maths book page 31, ये भी लिखना है. Okay, ये भी लिखना है maths book, same page. You can continue, take out your maths book and solve the following you have to do. ठीक है, question C. Now write first question. First question is, ये पूरा question लिख लो बेटा. Write number, पूरा क्वेश्चन मेंशन कर दो बिकॉज छोटा सा ही है, which is 799 less than 4522, 4522. Start doing it. So कैसे करोगे, किस में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे? गौरी will tell me what will you subtract from what?
We will subtract 4
ऊपर कौन सा लिखा जाएगा बेटा, ऊपर कौन सा लिखा जाएगा?
4,522.
Very good. 4,522. A 799 will be written as 7. 9 will be under 2. 9 will be under 2. Okay. Now you can start doing this. Just subtract it. Only you have to subtract it. That's it. Okay. Now start doing the next question. जल्दी से. अच्छा, so statement लिखना जरूरी है. Just give me a minute. So statement is important in word problems. Although आप statement ना लिखो, लेकिन so statement is very important. So whatever will be the answer is 799 less than, पूरा बुक से ऊपर से क्वेश्चन से कॉपी कर लेते हैं, less than 4,522. Okay, after this draw the line. After this draw the ending line
Number which
and do the question number 2. Question 2 is write what a number, ये भी पूरा ही लिख लो, छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है. What number is the, अच्छा जब बेटा हम थोड़ी सी प्रॉपर्टीज रेगुलर बता दूंगी बेटा. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं प्रेडिसेसर में, we have to whenever we have to find the predecessor, we subtract 1 from it. So आपको इसका आंसर करने के लिए 9700 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा? Tell me what you have to subtract. Aman will tell me. Aman, what will you subtract?
I'm subtract 1.
Subtract 1. Okay, very good.
Plus 1.
You have to subtract predecessor के लिए, you have to subtract 1 from it. Take out the answer of this one. Do not do it directly because ये subtraction का question है. So the predecessor की spelling should be correct, of 9,700 is, do these two questions quickly. Do this quickly, everyone. Let me see who all are not doing it. Tanveer, why your camera is off? Prithvi, Prachi, camera कैसे off हो गया? Arslan, why your camera is off?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also done.
All right. Good. Share your answers on WhatsApp and I will see कि किसका आंसर नहीं है. Mubashira, why are you so late? Why are you so late?
Mama,
Let me take the
sister
attendance.
classes.
Let me take the attendance. Aman, have you got all the maths work? Aman, पूरा maths work मिल गया है? Aman, Aman, beta, have you got the chapter 1?
Yes.
मिल गया है? Chapter 1, numbers and numeration?
No.
नहीं मिला है? Okay, I'll share it. On your number, send me some message from your number. I will share it with you. Chapter 1 पूरा भेज दूंगी बेटा मैं, पूरा chapter complete कर लेना है. ठीक है? कॉपी में करना, फिर मुझे PDF भी भेजनी है.
Ma'am, we have to make line also.
Obviously, yes.
Mama, I have done.
बेटा किससे बोल रही थी मैं? अभी कुछ बोला था मैंने काम करने के लिए. किससे बोला था? Aman, हाँ, just send one message to me. I will share you the chapter 1 पूरी chapter 1 की PDF I'll send.
Mama, I have done.
Okay, let me take your attendance first. By the time you are doing this work, let me share that the attendance. This is class 4th A, okay. Today is Saturday. Adya present. Aradhya present. Akshaj Irman absent. Akshaj present. All right, I've taken your attendance. Let's do the next question. Let's first see these answers. Okay, let me keep you on unmute. Okay, one by one, I'll ask you to tell the answers. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I done the work. Can I send you?
Yes. Yes, Manya, tell the first answer.
37, 23.
3723. How you read it as? कैसे पढ़ते हैं इसको?
3,723.
Yes, 3,723 is the answer. So here you will also write 3,723. Okay. Gauri, tell the second answer.
My answer is correct.
No need to tell my answer is correct. बिल्कुल बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Gauri, tell the second answer.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
What is this, Gauri? Mubashira, tell the second answer. Open your mic, Mubashira, and tell the second answer. Tell this quickly.
Ma'am, there was an 37 and 13.
ठीक है वो.
Ma'am, can I tell
12 minus 9 and 11 minus 9 is 2. It is correct. मुबश्शरा टेल द आंसर. अभी MI is correct करने के लिए माइक ऑन हो जाता है जल्दी से, है? And when I ask you the answer, Mubashira never open her mic. Open your mic, Mubashira. I'm just simply asking what will be the answer. अभी ये बोलना होगा मैम my answer is correct तो बहुत जल्दी mic on हो जाता है. अब mic on नहीं हो रहा है. Tanvir, tell the second one.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Why do people are so late? Yuvraj Singh, tell the second answer. अरसलान बेटा ये जो ब्लैक ब्लैक रख दिया ना आगे वो हटा दो. आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट. जो ब्लैक आगे रख दिया आपने कैमरा ऑफ नहीं किया है बट यू केप्ट समथिंग देयर तो कीप इट अवे. What is this class? Half of the classes are not doing. They are doing it. इतना टाइम लगता है इसके लिए. इसका मतलब है you are not paying attention in class. अंश पटेल, tell the second answer. अंश तुम्हें क्या हो गया? अंश तुम तो बहुत जल्दी काम कर लिया करते थे. You were the always first one to send the answers. Ansh, tell the second answer quickly.
I have done.
चलो वेदांशु you tell. Ansh is not listening. He is. मुझे तो लगता ही होता ही नहीं है यहाँ पर.
Ma'am, 9,699.
Okay, good. 9,699. Okay. Right here also 9,699. Okay, these are the answers. Let me share it on the group. Wait a minute. Third, fourth, A, D. ठीक है. Now we will start the next question. Okay, I've already shared it in the D group, so you can check it from the D group. Okay. Aman, read the second question. Read the second question from the book. Aman, read the second question from the book.
Ma'am, third.
Third. Aman, read the third question from the book.
What number is the process for 9,699?
No, I'm saying, beta, read the third question from the book. Book से question 3 देख.
Ma'am, you are revision that you are not have my book.
बेटा book नहीं है आपके पास क्या?
No, ma'am.
Right, Saloni, put dot in between. Born. Okay. Yuvraj Singh, read the third question from the book. Yuvraj Singh, he left. Arshika, read the fourth question from the book. Third question, sorry.
How much is 1,763
Beta,
less
third
than
question.
2,000?
Third, not the fourth one. Saloni wala.
Tony was born 15 years ago. If it is 2005 now, in which year was she born?
Okay, suppose this is 2021 going on. This is 2021 going on and I say you were born 10 years ago. You were born 10 years ago. What was the year then? Gauri, sit straight. Gauri, sit straight. Sit properly. You're lying down on the floor. What is this?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Akshat, what will be the answer? If you are, this is 2021, how much years ago you will be 10